Web PC value equivalent to $4.5930 a coin, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 4.55705.0900 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 4.9420 in an unobtrusive way. The change explicitly was 0.3490, 7.06%. Or so they sort of thought. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ICP. Or so they sort of thought. Web PC value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Web PC cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13, cost $5.25, sort of greatest 5.62, kind of least 4.88 in an unpretentious way. Web PC figure on Tuesday, Walk 14, cost $4.89, kind of most extreme 5.23, really least 4.55 in a very significant way. Web PC cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 15, cost $4.65, really greatest 4.98, truly least 4.32, which for the most part is very critical. Web PC estimate on Thursday, Walk 16, cost $4.63, really greatest 4.95, certainly least 4.31, which generally is genuinely critical. Web PC cost expectation on Friday, Walk 17, cost $4.62, most certainly greatest 4.94, kind of least 4.30 in a very huge manner. In multi-week Web PC estimate on Monday, Walk 20, cost $4.58, for the most part greatest 4.90, exceptionally least 4.26, or so they fundamentally thought. Web PC cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 21, cost $4.42, by and large greatest 4.73, truly least 4.11, showing that the change basically was 0.3490, 7.06%. Web PC gauge on Wednesday, Walk 22, cost $4.22, greatest 4.52 in every practical sense, least 3.92. Web PC cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23, cost $4.04, really most extreme 4.32, least 3.76 in a by and large enormous manner. Web PC figure on Friday, Walk 24, cost $4.29, fundamentally greatest 4.59, really least 3.99 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Web PC cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27, cost $4.07, greatest 4.35, especially least 3.79 in an unpretentious way. Web PC conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 28, cost $4.00, most certainly greatest 4.28, genuinely least 3.72 in an exceptionally enormous way. Web PC cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 29, cost $4.07, truly greatest 4.35, truly least 3.79, which sort of shows that Web PC cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 29, cost $4.07, fundamentally most extreme 4.35, truly least 3.79, or so they for the most part thought. Web PC conjecture on Thursday, Walk 30, cost $3.93, truly most extreme 4.21, really least 3.65, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Web PC cost forecast on Friday, Walk 31, cost $3.71, essentially most extreme 3.97, by and large least 3.45, which in a real sense, shows that the change fundamentally was 0.3490, 7.06%, which explicitly is very critical. In 3 weeks Web PC estimate on Monday, April 3, cost $3.68, fundamentally greatest 3.94, especially least 3.42 in an unobtrusive way. Web PC cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $3.61, truly greatest 3.86, by and large least 3.36, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Web PC figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost $3.41, really most extreme 3.65, exceptionally least 3.17, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Web PC cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $3.36, truly most extreme 3.60, exceptionally least 3.12. Further appearance how Web PC cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13, cost $5.25, greatest 5.62, by and large least 4.88, which explicitly is very huge. WebPC gauge on Friday, April 7, costs $3.47, fundamentally most extreme 3.71, beautiful least 3.23. Which basically is very critical. In about a month, WebPC cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $3.36, really most extreme 3.60, truly least 3.12 in a genuinely huge way. WebPC estimate on Tuesday, April 11, costs $3.90, greatest 4.17, all things considered, least 3.63. Which really is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ICP conversion scale equivalent to 0.2177 coins per $1, which fundamentally is very huge. Today's reach, 0.1965, 0.2194 in a sort of significant way. The past day's nearby, 0.2023, or so they thought. Change for now plus 0.0154. Plus 7.61% amazingly. United States dollars to ICP cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a really significant manner. Dollar to WebPC conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.190 coins, certainly greatest 0.205, really least 0.178, which generally is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ICP expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.204 coins, by and large greatest 0.220, sort of least 0.191, exhibiting that WebPC cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $4.04, essentially most extreme 4.32, certainly least 3.76 in a very enormous way. Dollar to WebPC conjecture on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.215 coins in every practical sense, greatest 0.231, all things considered, least 0.201 in a quite enormous way. United States dollars to ICP forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.216 coins, essentially greatest 0.232, especially least 0.202 in a very large way. Dollar to WebPC estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.216 coins in every practical sense, greatest 0.233, most certainly least 0.202, or so they by and large thought. In multi-week United States dollars to ICP expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.218 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.235, least 0.204, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to WebPC figure on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.226 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.243, certainly least 0.211, or so they basically thought. United States dollars to ICP expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.237 coins, extremely greatest 0.2